and share some pieces that I most recently picked up from Jluxlabel. You may or may not have heard of this company. I found them through Instagram. Honestly, that's how I came across the brand. And it's very similar to Naked Wardrobe, which I've talked about previously in some of my hauls. But I feel like it's almost a grown-up Naked Wardrobe, if that makes sense. So I have a couple of pieces, mostly basics, that I did pick up from the company that I want to share with you guys, talk about, you know, kind of the material, how it feels, how it fits, the stretch, and show you how I would style each item. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get right into the video. So the first two pieces that I wanted to share with you guys, I actually already have on. I have on one of the lace bodysuits paired with a pair of the azalea leggings. And the leggings do zip up in the back. They're very stretchy, very comfortable. The bodysuit, I'm not gonna lie, probably should have went up a size. Like, I know I lost weight, but this small is like small. So if you, I'm gonna come closer so you guys can kind of see a little bit better. So it's a lace, like there's lace at the top, if you can kind of see that. There's lace at the top of the bodysuit, but this is not enough room for the girls. So I've added a black lace bra to kind of give me support, make sure that I'm not like coming up out of here. That's the only way I would be able to wear this. So yeah, keep that in mind. It's very soft, it's stretchy, but this banding here, like where it looks like it would be underwire, it's not underwire, so there's not really any support for your girls. Now, if you're a part of the itty bitty committee, then that may not be an issue, but yeah. I had to add a lace bra underneath the bodysuit for it to like not look like I'm spilling out. And then the leggings are very high waist. They come to about right here. I've worn these a couple of times already. They do have like a little zip detailing on the side, and these are really comfortable. I can see myself wearing them with a lot of different pieces in my closet. It's kind of going to play as a basic for me. I did get it in 3 colors, so I'll show you each one of those as well. But my only complaint about these is that the high waist part on these particular leggings, like it doesn't stay up. And I almost wonder if maybe I should have sized up in these. But yeah, like it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? You kind of gotta, it doesn't stay up like throughout the day. Like it's cute, but it's not, I don't know. It just doesn't stay up. So yeah, that is the first 2 items that I'm going to show you guys. So I also picked up the same bodysuit in the white, and it just looks like this. It is a thong bodysuit. It is high rise, so it does come up significantly high. But this is the same one. I'm not sure that I have a white lace bra to go with this. So I'm going to show you what it would look like with the black underneath, and then more than likely how I would kind of style that. So yeah, let's go right into the next outfit. Okay, so I have the same basics on. These are the white high top, not high top. These are the white high waist azalea leggings paired with the cream lace bodysuit. And you can kind of see what I was saying as far as, let me show you, like the bra being a little bit too small, so you can see where the lace is. I would need like a white bra, or maybe even a nude bra. But anyway, so I have the same set with the leggings and lace bodysuit, and I just threw on one of, if you watched my thrift video on when I went to my auntie's closet, this is one of the tops that I got from there. Came with shoulder pads, love it. And I just kind of tied it and buttoned one button and kind of left the top open. This is like, okay, we ready for spring, sis? Like, you know, quick, simple. You can throw this on with flats, easy, out the door. So yeah, I like this. Now, one thing I will say, if you are thinking about getting the white leggings, like obviously they are see-through, so you can kind of see the outline of the bodysuit. So just keep that in mind with whatever you're wearing. but they are kind of see-through. It's a very thick material, but I don't know, like you may want to, you know, thong it up, I guess, cause yeah, it's very see-through. So, but I like them. Again, they're very comfortable, stretchy, love it. I just wish I would have got the bodysuits in the right size, but that's my fault, not theirs. I think if I would have had a medium, it would fit perfect. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind because I'm sure there's some other colors that I want to grab. So yeah, that is outfit number 2. And again, the base of the outfit is from Jlux, and then I have on a vintage silk blouse kind of paired with it and just tied it up. So next I want to get into, I did pick up 2 of their long sleeve bodysuits, mainly because I wear long sleeves year round. The material is very, very soft, but I want to get into these, so I'll show you these next, and one of the skirts that I grabbed. So, there you go. So before I get into the bodysuits, I did want to share the tan leggings, and these have almost like a corset boning at the top, but it's like not hard, it's just like for show. But I do feel kind of snatched in these, ironically. Anyway, so these were the first ones that I got, right? And I was like, yo, I need some tan leggings. I'll be able to wear them, you know, year round, blah, blah, blah. And before I could wear them, I noticed that they had a hole in the back, like right underneath the zipper. So before I can wear them, I noticed that there was a hole right underneath the zipper in the back. So I reached out to the company on Instagram and was just like, hey, you know, I'm planning on doing a haul / review on some products that I got from you guys, and I noticed that the pants had a hole in them. Is there anything you guys can do? And so someone responded and was like, sure, send me your order number and, you know, we'll get them replaced. So I sent them the order number. Haven't heard anything else. I'll keep you posted. If they do end up sending a replacement, I'll like pin a comment down below so you guys will know. But as of today, sis, we ain't got no replacement. So these pants still have a hole in them, which is why I'm not gonna turn around. But they're still my favorite, and I could probably fix it. Like, I know how to sew. I could easily fix these pants, but it's kind of like I want y'all to fix it first. But anyway, so yeah, that didn't deter me from getting some other pieces, but yeah, depending on how they handle that, I may feel some type of way. But anyway, so these are the same pants, or the tan leggings. I still have on the cream bodysuit and that same top. I just kind of wanted you guys to see what this would look like. What this would look like with the other pants. So yeah, I'm gonna go and show you guys the bodysuits next. From Jlux. Have I been saying Jlux? It's Jlux. How would I have to edit that out? Anyway, so I have on one of the Jlux basic bodysuits. This is the red one. I also got it in like the coral color. And this is the denim skirt that they have. I believe this comes in a white denim too. And it's like a cargo skirt. They're real pockets. Now, I thought that this was a lost cause at first because when I first tried the skirt on, the slit is so high. It's supposed to be in the middle. Let me just say that. Like, this is not, it's supposed to be in the middle. Like that, right? But sis, we can't wear it like that because I don't know if like my hips, well, a little bit that I got is like too wide for this skirt, but it was showing everything. So just now when I was putting this on, I was like, oh, let me just turn it to the side. Give a little side thigh action, and that works. This would be the only way I would be able to wear this because, yeah, otherwise we ain't going nowhere in this. So I have it turned to the side, and I actually like this. I would probably put on like a belt, or more than likely I would wear like a belt bag to kind of hide the fact that the elastic in the back is like kind of on the side, but I don't know, I kind of like it like that. And then the bodysuit, you know, love it. It's comfortable, it's flexible. For size reference, I have both pieces in a small. Matter of fact, I think everything that I'm going to show you guys is in a size small except for the biker shorts, which I'll show later. But yeah, I like the skirt. Definitely is gonna be ready for spring. It does zip up in the back. When I was getting dressed just now, my husband was like, you don't wanna hit an iron with that, but no, this is how it came. Straight out the box, you can see. It's gonna come wrinkled, sis. And I could have knocked it out with a steamer, but I ain't have time, okay? Just know that you need to iron. This is not gonna be a wear and go. It's gonna need to be ironed. So, but the bodysuit's straight though. But you had to iron the skirt. Okay? You're welcome. This also would be really cute with one of the lace bodysuits, but you know, I gotta get the right size and all that, so. But this would be cute. Like when it gets warmer outside. Yeah, I like that. Look. So yeah, I like it. Cute, simple. You could wear this with sneakers. You could wear this with flats. Like if you going somewhere, this would be really cute. Like on the beach, underneath the bathing suit. I could see this, you know, beach vacay vibes. So yeah, this is the next look. I'm going to show you guys the coral bodysuit and the biker shorts that I got, and I'll be right back. Alright, so next two pieces that I have are the coral long sleeve bodysuit and the high waist. I want to say these are the azalea. I'll link them down below because I'm not really sure what these are called. But it's just like the tan pants that I have on. They're just biker shorts. And I saw these and got really excited. Like really excited. Because I could see myself wearing this with like a tank top and, you know, like a shirt thrown over it and some sandals. I could have done the like, you know, whole Instagram baddie, I'm gonna put heels on with biker shorts for this video, but honestly y'all, it's hot up under this light and I know that's not really how I'm gonna wear these. These are gonna be worn with flats, sandals, slides, sneakers, yeah. So I figured I would come to you guys and show you that. They fit just like the pants, really soft, really comfortable, really stretchy. They are high waist, and these two have like the little corset boning detailing here. So it just kind of looks like it brings all of this in, but it's not like it's not hard or anything. Like it's really soft. So yeah, I like this. I want to show you guys another way that I would wear these. Like I'll be right back. So yeah, I put the black lace bodysuit back on. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what this would look like a little bit more dressed down and more of an everyday outfit for me anyway. Like I said, I would be wearing this with slides or, you know, some type of flat shoe, whether it's a sneaker or whatever. And I just threw on one of my favorite denim shirt dresses. This is from Blue and Gray. It's pretty old, but yeah, it's just an oversized shirt. Pretty much any button down that I have, or you could even, I mean, if you want, you could put like a linen blazer on with this to dress it up a little bit, but I would be wearing it like this. And this is like, I'm going to Target, I'm going pretty much anywhere other than work. So yeah, I like this. Very comfortable, nothing feels like tight or constricting, which is really important for me when I get my basics, because these are pieces that I'm going to be pairing with pretty much everything, like all together in my closet. So yeah, The only thing that I didn't do a try on for you guys that I did get is this like lace bodysuit. And the reason I didn't try this one on camera is because obviously it is very see-through. I would probably wear this underneath a blazer, like if I was in an all black outfit or all white outfit. But given the fact that I know that it's the wrong size and that it has to have a bra underneath, this ain't that kind of channel. Okay, so yeah, I just figured you may or may not see this in a picture somewhere down the road if I decide to keep it. But I did think this was cute, and I did think this would look very good underneath blazers, shirts, whatever. You can kind of see how see-through it is. So yeah, but it's still really cute. So that is, yeah, I keep pulling this lace up. Trying not to let my boob fall out. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this little mini Jlux. I want to say J-Lo looks so bad. That's pretty much it for this little mini Jlux haul. Let me know what you guys think of the pieces that I picked up. Also, I'm interested to know if any of you have tried Jlux and what you guys thought about sizing, because either I just ordered a lot of stuff in the wrong size or it's a little off. I could have got medium. These pants are medium. I did realize that. This is the only thing I got in medium, but it feels just like the small, so I don't know where the extra space comes from. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I will probably get more pieces from Jlux. Now I just know what size I need to get. I definitely do like the bodysuits. I like everything, to be honest with you. I'll also keep you guys updated on whether or not they send me replacement pants for the ones that have the hole in it. That's what I was most excited about. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of this haul. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. To everyone that is out there doing this social distancing, stay safe, okay? Be smart, stay safe, and stay busy. If you find yourself needing something to do, hey, look at all these videos you can go and check out, huh? Yeah, just catch up. Okay. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.